Hello and welcome to this video in which we're gonna talk about how to network like a pro on social media. Networking has been transformed by social media. LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram may be fantastic tools for broadening and deepening your network of business contacts, clients, and possible partners. However, it's equally critical to take a calculated approach. Many business owners make the mistake of using social media to make a traditional hard sell, then wonder why their efforts aren't paying off. One of the most productive areas to network is on social media, says Chris O'Shea, a BT business consultant who helps business owners on social media marketing. From the security of your office, you can rapidly locate like-minded people who don't require an introduction. However, if you take the wrong approach, you might quickly turn folks off. But before started, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to miss any new video. 1. Establish a presence on social media. Decide who you'd like to network with first. Consider who might be able to assist you in moving your company forward. Then look into the social media sites these individuals frequent. LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram are the most popular corporate social networking platforms, but each industry has its own set of requirements. Examine which websites your competitors frequent. Also, go around on different websites to see what kind of activity is going on that is related to your industry. Create a business and/or personal social media presence for each of the sites you want to target first. As your skills improve, you can add more sites. Begin by inviting family, friends, community members, colleagues, business contacts, and clients to connect with your page. 2. Share interesting stuff. Consider what kind of content you'd like to share on your social media platforms. Your goal is to build a community of individuals who regard you as a thought leader, engage with you, and share your material with their networks. How-to videos, blog posts, polls, contests, industry and market insights, white papers, and ebooks are all examples of content. Use brief sentences and paragraphs to keep your writing concise and reader-friendly. Technical and marketing language should be avoided. You should interact with individuals on other social media pages by commenting on and sharing content, in addition to posting on your own accounts. It is also critical to add new content on a regular basis. Keep note of which types of material are the most popular and offer more of those. Examine the social media pages of competitors and others who have a strong online presence for ideas. 3. Stay away from the hard sale. On social media, stay away from self-promotion. It's quite off-putting, and it'll cause people to leave your network. Instead, consider how you can assist others. No one wants to be sold to. If you bring value and don't have a big agenda for yourself, you can network the best, O'Shea says. 4. Prioritize the quality of your work over the amount of what you produce. Instead of counting followers, concentrate on the quality of your social relationships. Your network should automatically increase if you provide value and participate in relevant conversations. It's not a sprint, but rather a marathon. Make an effort to build long-term relationships, adds O'Shea. 5. Keep proper decorum in mind. Professionalism and diplomatic responses to criticism are important aspects of online networking etiquette. This is a chance to be a decent person who doesn't complain, O'Shea says. No one wants to do business with people who whine.